I always start my leg day with rolling my feet. Our feet get so tight from standing and walking on them all day long, so I start by releasing them with a lacrosse ball so they'll be able to grip the ground better during my exercises. Once I finish rolling my feet, I move on to rolling the rest of my legs. I usually start with a foam roller just to get into the tissue and start by rolling my quads, roll through my IT band, and then move on to my glutes. I find this really helps loosen up the muscles and helps me activate them better during my workout. As you can see, I'm rolling around on the foam roller until I find a spot that is either tight or tender, and I'm holding this spot for a prolonged period of time. I usually hold the spot for 20 to 30 seconds for the ultimate release. Now this video is sped up, so it's probably going to look like I'm moving a lot faster than that, but this is how long I usually hold these releases for. You will see that with my quad release as well, I'm doing a bit of active release. Now this is when you contract the muscle, followed by relaxing the muscle while holding the tight spot. This tends to get a little bit deeper into the muscle tissue and help you get a better release. Once I'm finished with the foam roller, I move on to the lacrosse ball. I find that the lacrosse ball is a little bit easier to dig into the muscle tissue, especially in your glutes since it's so dense. I usually find specific spots that I want to work on with the lacrosse ball, and it tends to get into the muscle tissue a little bit better. I usually use this for my glute med a lot, as you can see here. I'm doing another active release, and this is the second step in my process. Also, a little forewarning, this is not the most pleasant feeling. It does tend to be very tender, but it does get a really good release.